In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline citations with Zotero. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word and look for the Zotero tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. If you can see that tab, you're all set. If you don't, make sure the Zotero Word plugin is installed and restart Word so it appears. With your document open, click the Zotero tab. This is your control center for adding citations quickly and keeping everything consistent. You'll find the commands you need right here so you don't have to switch between apps while you work. Next, click Add Edit Citation. This opens Zotero's citation picker, which is designed to be fast and flexible. If it's your first time using it in this document, Word may prompt you to set up the document's citation style. That's expected and actually helpful, because choosing a style early ensures your citations and bibliography will match your guidelines from the start. When the style prompt appears, choose the citation style you need. Common options include APA, MLA, and Chicago. If you're unsure, check your instructor's or publisher's requirements and match them exactly. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can update the style across the whole document without redoing your citations. Once you've selected the correct style, confirm your choice to apply it to the document. After confirming, you'll see the citation search field. Here, you can type an author name, a title keyword, or a year to find the reference you want. Zotero searches your entire library as you type, surfacing the best matches immediately. If you prefer to browse, switch to your library view and navigate your collections until you find the exact source. This is especially useful if you've organized items into folders and want to visually confirm the right record. Select the reference you need and Zotero will format and insert the citation right where your cursor is in Word. If you realize you picked the wrong one or need to refine it, click Add Edit Citation again to update it. You can repeat this process as you write, and Zotero will keep every citation aligned with the style you selected. That's all there is to it. Open Word, go to the Zotero tab, choose Add Edit Citation, pick your citation style, confirm it, then search or browse your library to insert accurate citations quickly. Keep writing and let Zotero handle the formatting.